Hey, hello people, welcome to my channel. If today is the first time of coming across my channel, please do well to follow, subscribe and like. Thank you as you do so. Today is another episode of unboxing. Yeah, look at what we got here. Hello. What I ordered arrived today. I ordered this guest package a few weeks ago. I've been waiting for the package and it took long before coming. So today I went to the post to get it myself. Yes, I went there to get it myself. So let's see. It's still sealed. I don't even know how it looks like. I want to unbox it before the camera. So let's see what's inside. If it's a yes or a no. So let's go. So beautiful. Wow. Bag is so beautiful. Bag is so beautiful. I think it's a yes. So let's see what is inside. Wow, the bag is beautiful. Look at it. 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 Oh, yeah. Beautiful bag. Very beautiful. Alright guys, see you all on my next video. Bye bye.